Hey guys, welcome back. First of all, happy new year. Wish you prosperous and profitable year ahead. Okay, in this video we are going to study about the market update. As usual, every week we used to do. Okay, we are analyzing the world market, Indian market, sector and sectorial stocks. This is a stage 2 of the our main training program, the Ultimate Trader. Okay, if you are new to this channel and you are watching the video first time, then you can definitely reach out to me so we can discuss about the training and other things. Okay, first we are going to discuss about the world market. Here we have the stat. Okay, based on this world market RSI data, we can see whether it is a bullish or a sideways or a bearish. From last week, this is a previous week and this is a current week. What happened in Dow Jones? It is a little bit sideways kind of things. Okay, 65 to 63. In the similar way, for Nasdaq, it is also 62 to 58. That means there is some bearishness in the US market. Similarly, when we come to Korea, okay, it is 69 to 78. That means it's a bullish, but there is no crisis kind of a crash kind of a situation. It's just a sideway. We can see the charts also in coming slides, but from this particular stat we are understanding how the market is for this particular week. Okay, for India, when we take RSI from 60 to 64, almost 286 point it has been upside. That means the Indian market is very bullish. Within that, we have to review the which sector we supposed to choose for the trading purpose. Okay, let's see. This is the Dow Jones. You can see weekly and monthly above 60. In daily it is sideways. Nasdaq, similar things. Okay, US 500, this is also similar thing. DAX, okay, all it is at a resistance in the weekly, so it might be take some more time, but it is near to the all-time high. It might be, if it is crossed perfectly, then you can see a very good momentum in that German market also. Japan, it is bullish weekly, in daily only it is taking some sideways momentum. Kospi, this is a great move. You can see above 60 in all the time frames. Gift Nifty, okay, Singapore, it is similar to the our Nifty chart also. You can see that in the upcoming slide. Okay, but if it is breakout from here, we can see very good momentum over a coming week. And commodity, majorly we are trading in natural gas, silver and crude actually, but and gold and silver are, we know that it is a great momentum. Okay, in upcoming week, just I am planning to take a one session or a record one session related to commodity trading style. If you are an intraday trader, how we have to be a trade in commodity in a evening session, that is also based on the timing. It is very important, so we'll discuss in upcoming week. Crude oil, it's a sideway. See, this is at the 40 support in weekly and monthly. That's the value buying area. Natural gas, it's in a sideway. Okay, so but we might get a some selling pressure because it is in daily below 40. There could be a chance of range shift start also. Silver, gold, it's a rocket, but just now we have the opportunity to buy actually if it is confirmed. It range shift, if it is bounce back from the 60 here, this is the buying area. Even though if in case we missed earlier chance, okay, in the month of December around 1,28,000, now we have the opportunity to buy again at 1,35,000. okay, silver, it's a similar, it's making a 3-bar PRD, but it is not sustained. Last week we tried this one and 6,000 points we gained, but after that it took a reversal. Okay, but next week we can have a one more session related to only how to trade in silver and natural gas. Later on we move to commodity like copper and gold and other crude oil and other things, but just I am planning for silver and natural for the upcoming session. Okay, and here Indian market, as I said, it's a completely bullish. Sensex is at resistance of 16 daily. Okay, you can see here there is a resistance in Nifty also. We have to wait and watch. If it is confirmed breakout, then we can trail aggressively in the upside. But the major thing is that if it is make any of the a reversal over here, then we could get a downtrend also. There are two possibilities over here. One is it has to go upside and make a range shift. It will be take a sustainability sustain in on a upside. Otherwise we might see upside downside like this also. Okay, so my point is that we have to just wait and confirm. After that we can trade in these things. Okay, let's go next slide. Sensex, okay, I can see here there is a resistance at 60 also, and it might be for Nifty also. If it is reverse back here from 60, then we might see a little bit sideways. Nifty Bank is at all-time high. Okay, but we need a confirmation above 60,000. If it is confirmed, definitely we can see a very good momentum in banking sector also. Nifty Finance, same like a Nifty Bank. If it is cross this particular resistance, then only we can try. Otherwise, we can see a sideways. Okay, so just overall index of Indian market is bullish. Okay, there is no problem here, but the thing is that we have to wait and trade. The Nifty and Bank Nifty, those are at the resistance. We need a confirmation. Okay, now we need to be check which sector we supposed to be concentrate. From few weeks we are tracking metal stocks. Okay, that is not stopping. It's like a rocket now. Nifty, sorry, Hind Copper, Hind Zinc, Aluminium, National Aluminium, all metal stocks are running like anything. So whenever we choose a strong stock, we have to track very carefully all the stocks of that sector. Okay, that's why as per our top down approach, we are analyzing the sector. Once we understand the market is bullish, we have to choose a very strong sector. Okay, and second one is a auto. You can see here last week it is 67 and now it is 73 RSI. That means auto stocks are running very good. Ashok Leyland is the top performer, and Bajaj Auto, within that we have under Motherson Sumi also. It's a related to auto sector only. So that means we have to concentrate. First, the top sector is metal, second one is auto. For this week I think we have a oil and gas sector also. Last week it is at resistance, but it crossed that 60 and now it is above 60. So we have to check oil and gas stocks also. Okay, let's remaining stocks are sideways, but we'll see the charts first. Nifty Energy, see here in Nifty Energy there is around 6 to 7 months sideways. If it is crossed this one, there could be a very good momentum. Okay, we need to be track this one. Okay, and last week there is a huge movement in energy stocks, because from from walk on the band it created. If it is crossed this resistance, we can see. So in tracking we have to keep energy sector stocks, energy sector. Similarly PSC also, it is also almost a 7-8 month. It's trading in range. If it is confirmed next week, then definitely we can track this and choose the stock from PSC sector also. Infra is looking good, all above 60. Okay, metal, auto. Now we got another sector which need to be check. Infra. Okay, auto, as we discussed, it is very bullish. Pharma, it is at resistance. Okay, there is a resistance, so we have to wait and watch. PSU Bank, earlier also it has given a very good momentum. Now there was a slow slowdown, and now it is started. Last week it is started like anything. We have to track Canara Bank, that is a cup pattern, Bank of Baroda, AU Small Finance. There are a lot of stocks which are giving a good momentum. Okay, we have to choose a stock from PSU Bank also. So now auto, metal, auto, PSU. PSU is the third stock, third sector. one more is infra. There are 4 bullish sectors we got. Okay, reality, it is in sideway. Metal, as you said, that it's running like anything. Auto, sideway. FMCs, see, uh, we are tracking energy sector also, same pattern. Okay, either if it is breakout for energy sector, if it is breakout, we are trading upside. If it is breakdown, just like a FMCG, then we have to get the opportunity for the selling side also. Okay, we similar pattern around 8 month FMCG was in a sideway, but now last week it has break down that particular range. So there will be a good momentum downside also. We have to see for FMCG for the selling side opportunity. Okay, so we have a one more sector which is FMCG to trade in downside. Okay, media, it is in a sideway below 40 in monthly. There could be a chance of range shift in weekly also in upcoming, but we have to wait. We have to wait and watch how it is going to be behave, because there was a good support here and it bounced back. Okay, there could be a go upside also, but we are not trading upside this particular sector, because we have the very good other 4 sectors where we can concentrate for the upside momentum. Nifty consumer durable sideway, but see, in weekly it is a value buying area. Okay, if there are stocks, good stocks which are giving a value buying, then we can add those stocks in the cash portfolio. Nifty oil and gas. Okay, this is above 60, it is coming for this month, but month has to be confirmed. Okay, if it is confirmed, then there could be a chance to move very good in this also, but we have to track this one, not aggressively trading in this sector, but we need to track the stocks. Nifty defense, earlier 4-5 months it was give a tremendous move. Now it is taking a 60 support, so just need to be track this one. Okay, there are a few stocks which we are tracking. Okay, you can just make a note of these stocks and analyze from your point of view also. First, cup stocks. See, why we are choosing cup stocks, you can go back to our training material, like what are the examples and why we are trading, and trading cup pattern stocks. Okay, once it is come out of the resolution point or a resistance points, there will be a good momentum. You can see where VDL, Vedanta and Hind Copper, those are the stocks where moving like rocket, because those are the cup stock. And earlier also we traded RECPFC last year, those are the rockets. Okay, Infobeam Techno, this is one which is already breakout, so we can go ahead with a 6% rule and we can trade this for a 30% profit. And this is a Hind Copper. As I said, there are small cup here around 14-year cup one. Okay, this is breakout and it is moving like a rocket. One more resistance is there at 659. If it is crossed, then there will be a continuous momentum in Hindustan Copper also. And even though in commodity copper, international copper, that is also moving very good if you are trading commodity. And Canara Bank, we need to track this one. There is a possibility to be breakout this one also. Bank of Baroda, this earlier there was a breakout in cup pattern, and now also it took a CIP support around 4-5 months back, and it is moving very good now. There is no resistance now. There could be a very good momentum in Bank of Baroda. Vedanta, as I said, after breakout from the resolution point, it's going like a rocket. Okay, within 1 month from 542 616 till now. Okay, around 60-70 rupee momentum here. NMDC, we have to watch for this one, not a breakout. There is a resistance nearby around 100. Okay, WCS stocks. See, WCS stocks, we can use these for the other trading strategies also. Ashok Leyland, we can use this for the WCS also, wealth creation strategy. Alongside, we can use whenever there are dip near 60 and near 40 for the DWM and advanced DWM also. Okay, so make a list of these all bullish stocks and wait for the opportunity. Right now we can't do anything, but there are opportunities here. Look at this range shift, 60 support, here 40 support. Okay, so this is the weekly chart actually. Whenever it comes to 60 and break, it started moving from here, we can add into the cash portfolio, with the WCS, and whenever it comes to 16 daily, we can add into the DWM and advanced DWM strategy also. Okay, so we have to track these stocks properly. Right now, Bajaj Auto is at above 60 in daily, weekly, so we can immediately buy based on the WCS rules. Okay, this is a Bharat Forge. Last few 4-5 week back, it give a chance to buy in a WCS. Okay, around here 1386. After that, it's moved more than 100 points. M&M, right now we have the opportunity here. Okay, Maruti, last look at this, when it is around 13,000. Okay, it made a first candle over here. If in case we bought from 14,000 to around 16-17,000 now, okay, within few weeks. So if in case we are tracking the stocks, and auto stocks are very good, auto sector is very good, so we can get a lot of opportunity for DWM and advanced DWM also, and walk on the band, one more momentum strategy. Motherson, it is now coming out of that sideway market, like below 60 in earlier months. Now it is coming back, and it is related to okay, sorry, it is just coming out of the resistance now here. TVS, okay, auto sector all-time high. Bharat Petroleum, see, energy sector, Bharat Petroleum, right? It is a cup pattern. As I said, there is a sideway in the energy sector. If it is breakout, then there could be a very good momentum in Bharat BPCL also. Okay, Bank of Baroda, this is a cup pattern again. There could be a very huge momentum. Just add this stock into your basket. Whenever we got the opportunity, definitely we need to be enter the trade. Bank of Maharashtra, okay, above 60, above 60. Now it's at buy price. You can buy at 64 and keep a SL at 57 as per the middle band, this one, and buy based on the 1% rule. SBI, all-time high. There's no problem. There's a small resistance here. Okay, but one more, right? It is a round number. We have to wait for crossing and closing one candle above 1000. So definitely we can enter into this one. Hindalco is a rocket. It's moving like anything. Hind Copper, as we said, it is a cup pattern moving like good, very very good. Jindal Stainless Limited, okay, cup pattern breakout. Now it is at buying price. Okay, we can buy at 855 and 860 range and keep 775, 770 as a SL. NMDC, it is also at buy price right now. Sale, it's a metal stock. Definitely we have the opportunity here, and few of the stocks we can track for the DWM and advanced DWM strategy. Okay, look at this. When Ashok Leyland is making higher high continuously, how many times we got the opportunity? First year 40, 60, 60 is continuous. Okay, RBL we have a right away, we have the very good opportunity here, because it's took a support at 60, above 16 monthly. Now it is at range shift or above 60 here, and walk on the band also. If you track earlier also, we could have very good entry at 300 range. Okay, but even though now also we have the opportunity for the can enter at 320, and there is a resistance at 330 around. We can take that 10 points. Bharat Forge, all above 60. iShare Motor, it's a auto sector and going good. Just wait for confirmation of the candle over here. Okay, M&M all-time high. We have to good. This is a good entry point. Above 60 it is sustaining. If it is make any range shift, that could be a very good entry again. Maruti above 60 in all time. Advanced DWM. Motherson, we have to wait for this because there is a channel over here and there could be a pullback to 117. Okay, so we have to trade carefully over here. TVS Motor make some reversal candle, just wait for a confirmation, and there is no point when it is going going like this. If you bought when it is made a breakout here around 3700, then we would have been profit right now, but now just need to be wait. See, whatever stock, we have to think which strategy is going to apply, what is our risk, how much quantity we are buying, whether we are trading in option, future, or cash, or MTF. Okay, MTF is a instrument, margin trading facility. That's a good one because we can buy whatever risk we have and we can get the margin also, how we are getting in future. So if you are not trading in future, you can use MTF specialty. Okay, Indus Tower, there is a resistance at 458, so just we have to be very careful. LNT, okay, this is a breakout, we definitely try this one. Bank of Baroda, it's a walk on the band, just wait for a pullback or a range shift, something like that. Bank of Maharashtra trading very well. Canara Bank, good one. Okay, Hindalco, we need to wait for the opportunity. Earlier, see here around 2868, recently it gave an opportunity, just like a small pullback. In that time, if in case we tried, then definitely there could be a opportunity. Hindustan Copper, we have to wait for this. Right now we have a hinging opportunity because there is a small pullback and make a swing high, higher higher high, higher low now. So here we can enter with the just swing low as a SL. Jindal SL, okay, we just need to wait for some signal because earlier, if in case we bought here near 60 with a confirmation of a hammer and a moving average support or a middle band support, then we could have a very good profit from 800 to around 860. NMDC, wait for the opportunity, it is going higher high now. National Allium, there is no opportunity right now, but earlier you see this, how many times we got the opportunity from 200 to 330 within 2 months. From last 2 months, okay, look at this, after it is breakout, okay, it is above 60 itself. Sale, we need to wait for the pullback. Vedanta cup pattern, it is giving a good momentum. Okay, these are the stocks which we are tracking, and you can reach out to me. There are a lot of stocks we discussed. Make a list of those and wait for the correct opportunity. It's not every stock is looking good, but what is the risk management, how many position you can build, okay, and whether I am trading in option, future, what is my risk, what is my capital. These things we need to think before we are entering into the any of the trade. Okay, you can reach out to me if you have any question, so we can discuss, we can go through the learning process. Thank you guys.